Here's how to connect or integrate TradingView charting and trading workflow with the Topstep trading account using supported platforms or compatible broker connections in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to trade with TradingView style charts while managing your Topstep account safely. This setup can involve funded trading accounts, subscriptions, or trading activity depending on your account type. First, log into your Topstep dashboard from your browser. This is where you'll see your trading accounts and available platform options. Once you're inside, launch Topstep X or confirm which supported trading platform your account uses. You'll see a browser-based trading interface with charts, order panels, and account details on your screen. Next, open the Charts section inside Topstep X. You'll see TradingView powered charts with drawing tools, time frame buttons, and technical indicators. Then, customize the layout by adding indicators, changing candle styles, or adjusting time frames from the toolbar at the top of the chart. After that, test the trading tools directly inside Topstep X. You'll see buy and sell buttons, stop loss controls, and order entry panels beside the charts. Now, if your account supports an older Trade-Await workflow, open TradingView in another browser tab and click the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Once the trading panel opens, select Trade-Await from the broker list and enter your login credentials. You'll see a broker connection pop-up followed by a connected status message if the setup works correctly. Then open the chart and test the connection using a simulated trade setup before placing any real orders. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open TradingView for chart analysis only and keep Topstep X open in another browser tab. Analyze your setups on TradingView charts, then place trades manually inside Topstep X using the same market and price levels. If the TradingView broker connection option is missing, your current Topstep account may no longer support direct TradingView routing. Once everything is set, you'll see TradingView style charts connected to your Topstep trading workflow through supported integrations or inside the Topstep X platform. Following these simple steps makes connecting TradingView to Topstep quick and easy.